How to hide your number on Telegram? For that, you have to go to the Telegram app on your mobile device. Make sure to log into your Telegram account. Then tap on three-line icon at the top left corner, and from the side menu you can tap on Settings. When you go to Settings and get access to this settings page, you just have to tap on Privacy and Security option. So on this privacy and security page, on the privacy you need to tap on phone number. So as you can see that currently uh, the who can see my phone number is set on my contacts. So in order to hide your number on Telegram, you have to tap on nobody. Then after that, here it is said who can find me by my number. You just have to make it on my contacts. So you need to hide your number as much as possible by making it private. So you can also add exception, that is always allow to one person or any user that you want to get access to your phone numbers on Telegram. So after you have done that, you need to tap on the tick mark icon at the top right corner of the screen, and the phone number has been saved to nobody. That means you have successfully hidden your number on Telegram. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.